So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to pull attendance on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then you have to search for zoom.us. So after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that you guys can be able to see this option right here which is called my account. Now just select this option to get on the profile page. Now guys, on your left you can see there's a list of options. If you scroll down you can see this account management. Now just select this option and again you need to select this reports option. Right here guys, if you have the basic plan then you cannot access your attendance on Zoom. As you can see, first of all you will have to upgrade your account to the pro account. So after purchasing the pro account you guys will need to come back on this page right here, and after that select this user activity reports section, and right here you can pull out your attendance on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to pull your attendance on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.